Gary driving his new truck for the first time. Oh, and he hits a pole. That would fucking suck. Check out the new office. Already got the bunk heater in it, APU, plug-in, stereo system from L. Going with the rust, with the wind jam, front mirrors, D13 with the auto, which we're having that moved to right there.
Want to push the clutch.
Gary's trying to shift gears. Fucking awesome.
Let's look your way.
Clear my way. Clear, 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 clear. Damn, you can see all the fucking wires in here. Are you letting off of the gas to do that, or does it do it automatically? Are you fucking kidding me? Oh, that is fucking awesome!
This is the economy mode.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Oh, fucking A.
It like shifts and slows down automatically.
Yep.
Sweet!